In the wake of her victory, Katniss Everdeen finds herself thrust into the Capitol's victory tour, a grueling reminder of the trauma she endured during the Hunger Games. As she navigates her newfound fame, mixed feelings arise from the districts, which harbor a growing resentment for the oppressive government. During the tour, Katniss wrestles with the weight of expectations and her evolving feelings for Peeta, further complicated by her best friend Gale Hawthorne's lingering affections. A chilling visit from President Snow serves as a stark reminder of the Capitol's control and the dangers her defiance poses to her loved ones. As seeds of rebellion begin to sprout across the districts, chaos erupts in District 11, following Katniss's daring act of defiance with poisonous berries, intensifying the government's resolve against her. The shocking announcement of the third quarter quell, which requires tributes to be drawn from previous victors, sends Katniss and Peeta into a panic. Understanding that her life and those of her friends and family are at stake, Katniss makes a desperate decision to escape the Capitol's clutches. As the narrative unfolds amidst political unrest and personal turmoil, Katniss emerges as a symbol of rebellion, the Mockingjay. The alliances she forges with Peeta and fellow victors become crucial as they navigate the treacherous waters of the arena. The stakes heighten when they face ambushes and betrayals that test their loyalties and resilience. Katniss's determination to keep Peeta alive drives her to the brink, culminating in a dramatic confrontation with the Capitol's forces that forces her to make harrowing choices. In a shocking twist, the depth of betrayal within the arena alliances is revealed, leading to a devastating conclusion that leaves Katniss and her allies grappling with the aftermath. As the dust settles, the survival of Peeta and the future of the rebellion hang in a precarious balance, setting the stage for a climactic resolution in the final installment of the series. Katniss's journey becomes not just a struggle for survival, but a fight against a system intent on crushing their spirits, igniting a spark of hope amidst the darkness. Cultural impact of Catching Fire. Catching Fire, the second installment in Suzanne Collins's The Hunger Games trilogy, has had a significant cultural impact since its release in 2009. The book's portrayal of a dystopian society driven by oppression and rebellion resonates with contemporary issues such as government control, social inequality, and the fight for personal freedom. The series sparked discussions about violence in media, the ethics of reality television, and the nature of sacrifice and survival. The portrayal of Katniss Everdeen as a strong, complex female protagonist has also contributed to the rise of feminist narratives in young adult literature. Katniss represents resilience and resourcefulness, paving the way for future heroines in similar genres. Catching Fire, alongside the rest of the trilogy, has influenced a podcast, film adaptations, and various merchandise, becoming a cornerstone of modern young adult literature. How Catching Fire differs from others. Catching Fire distinguishes itself from other young adult novels by its intricate world building and morally ambiguous characters. While many YA novels provide protagonists who are either wholly good or evil, Collins crafts nuanced characters who confront ethical dilemmas and face the consequences of their choices. The book delves into themes of propaganda, state control, and the psychology of rebellion, making it a thought-provoking read that questions authority and societal structures. Additionally, Catching Fire does not merely rest on a romantic subplot, but expands on political intrigue, societal commentary, and the psychological toll of survival. This depth sets it apart from other series that may focus primarily on romance or individual quests. Details about the author. Suzanne Collins is an American author best known for her work in children's and young adult literature. She had a background in writing for television, which helped her develop a strong narrative style and an understanding of audience engagement. Collins drew inspiration for The Hunger Games from her observation of reality television and war coverage, blending them into a compelling story that explores themes of survival, sacrifice, and the human condition. As a practitioner in the literary industry, Collins has received accolades and critical acclaim, elevating her standing as a key figure in contemporary literature. Her ability to weave complex themes into accessible narratives has cemented her legacy and influenced countless authors in the dystopian genre. Similar books to read. 1. Divergent by Veronica Roth. Set in a dystopian society divided by factions, this series explores themes of identity, choice, and rebellion against oppressive systems. 2. The Maze Runner by James Dashner. This thrilling series features a group of teens trapped in a deadly maze, unraveling mysteries while navigating their survival. 3. Legend by Marie Lu. This series portrays a futuristic, militarized society with complex characters and a gripping story of revolution against a tyrannical regime. 4. Red Queen by Victoria Aveyard. In a world divided by blood, the story explores class warfare and the struggles for power, along with a strong female lead. 5. The Fifth Wave by Rick Yancey. This science fiction series addresses themes of survival in a world devastated by alien invasion and explores the psychological effects of warfare on humanity. Catching Fire remains an essential read, not only for its gripping narrative, but also for its cultural relevance and profound themes, making it a touchstone in young adult literature.